If you're a little bit skeptical or cautious about putting AI into your business, there's a really good way to start with some very simple tools that you can do yourself with no cost, no expense, to kind of get you used to the idea. And one of them is a resource called If This Then That. And you may have heard of it. It's a very simple app that you can use for existing processes you have, things like schedules or calendars or apps you have on your phone. And we'll post a link to it at the bottom of the video. But basically the way it works is, here's the site, IFTTT, if this then that. And what you could do is you could connect different devices to it. For example, you can get the weather forecast every day at 7 a.m. or send yourself a notification. You can connect it to things like Amazon, so if there's something that goes on sale, you'll get a message. You can automatically tweet your Instagram. Some of this is consumer information. Google Home, Find My Phone, right? And there's thousands and thousands of pre-constructed apps. But here's the thing. You don't have to go by what automatically or what is already written. You can write your own IFTTT procedures. So let's say if you have a thermostat at your office, you can have it automatically turn off when the alarm is set. Maybe you want to have the lights come on if two people walk into your building. Maybe you want to have a notification sent to you if your accounting person logs off their computer. There's any number of things. As long as you can connect a device, an action, a resource, a calendar event to IFTTT, anything you can think of logical results can come from it. That's why it's called If This Then That. If this happens, then do this. So it's something you can play with yourself. It doesn't cost any money. You can attach things to it that you already have. It'll give you an idea of what AI can do. And once you start to play around with these, and some of these are going to be very low tech and not real complicated, but it'll give you an idea of what things AI can do for your company in workflow, maybe in just making your day more efficient, and get you a head start into using AI. Because 2 or 3 or 5 years from now, your competitors, your vendors, your clients will all be using this. And if you are not familiar with it, you may not be able to engage with other entities as well as you could if you have some knowledge of how to put logical AI and efficiency into your company.